Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Niklas. Today we are doing a super sharp touch-up on his hairstyle. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Let's go.
Okay, Niklas, can you tell me a little bit what are you doing in your free time?
Sure. So with my dad, I run a studenterkørselsfirma. So it's a Danish tradition. So when you finish high school, you go on this trip around and visiting everyone from your class. Just party all day.
On a bus, right?
On a truck.
Also,
yeah. Depending on where you are.
Yeah, and they're drinking a lot.
They're drinking.
And you have to like to the.
Yeah, we have to honk, and we have huge speakers on board. So yeah, it's quite fun.
It's fun.
It's really fun.
Everybody should do that, right?
Yeah.
World studenterbuses.
Exactly, studenterkørsel.
Yes, kørselsbuses.
Great tradition.
Cool, man. Nice. We'll just wet the hair here and then I will style it. Sidekick. 24 hours hold, matte finish and heat protection. 10, 11 pumps, 12 pumps. Digger. Matte finish, extreme hold.
When our life is
almost done, but first, Niklas, do you like your new hairstyle?
I definitely do.
I think you did an amazing job, Renee.
Thank you so much.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.